Welcome to my video on the 4 best car accessories you can buy this year. Whether you're looking to spruce up your ride or just want to make sure your car is running at its best, these accessories are sure to make your car look and feel like new. I'll show you the best car accessories to buy this year. So sit back and enjoy as I walk you through the top 4 car accessories you need to get your hands on. Number 4. Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit. The Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a convenient way to equip their car with the necessary emergency tools. This kit includes an air pump, starting power supply, vacuum cleaner, and flashlight, all of which are combined together in a cool and space-saving way. Using the X1 air pump is simple and quick, as it only takes 2 minutes to inflate tire pressure. The starting power supply has a peak current of 1,200 amps and can start the car in just 3 seconds. The vacuum cleaner has a super suction of 10,000 Pascal and a noise level of less than 75 decibel, and the flashlight has a brightness of 300 lumens and can work continuously for 12 hours. The X1 is made with aluminum alloy and fire-resistant ABS plus PC plastics for greater safety and durability. All in all, the Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and convenient emergency toolkit. Number 3. Dride 4K. The Dride 4K is the perfect dashcam for anyone looking for a reliable and connected camera. It is designed with an aluminum chassis for heat dissipation and can withstand temperatures up to 176 F80C. The dashcam records continuously, and with a simple tap of a button, any road incident can be uploaded to the cloud and shared. In the case of an accident, Dride will automatically save and unlock the video and upload it to the cloud. Overall, the Dride 4K is a reliable and connected dashcam with plenty of features to keep you safe on the road. Number 2. AKY-NV-X Next Gen Night Vision Dashcam. The AKY-NV-X Next Gen Night Vision Dashcam is a great solution to help drivers navigate low-light environments such as dimly lit country roads, sharp turn roads, or tunnels. It utilizes advanced image filtering algorithms to remove visual noise and correct for droplets or fog that could obscure visibility caused by rainy days. With the Sony Starvis 1 first 8-inch low-light imaging sensor and an f1.0 lens that can illuminate a distance of up to 1,312 feet, it provides up to 3 to 4 times the irradiation range of ordinary headlights. This makes it ideal for those who worry about driving at night and want to have a safer and more confident driving experience. With the AKY-NV-X, no matter the time of day. Welcome to my video on the 4 best car accessories you can buy this year. Whether you're looking to spruce up your ride or just want to make sure your car is running at its best, these accessories are sure to make your car look and feel like new. I'll show you the best car accessories to buy this year. So sit back and enjoy as I walk you through the top 4 car accessories you need to get your hands on.